Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you 10 things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel. But before I do that, the first 25 people to comment on this video will get publicly subscribed by me. Anyway, let's start the video. Number 1, you don't start making money right away. This might shock a lot of people, but you need to have certain requirements in order to make money on YouTube. Those requirements consist of 4 things. You need 4,000 watch hours, which means collectively people on your channel watch your videos for 4,000 hours. You need 1,000 subscribers on your channel, 2-step verification, and finally, no active community guideline strikes. So before you make a YouTube channel and go all in, please remember that you don't make money right away, and even if you did, 1,000 views equals $1 and 1 subscriber equals $5, and that's not even confirmed. Number 2, copyright strikes don't mean anything. One thing that is scary for a lot of beginners on YouTube is getting copyright claims. Copyright claims only happen when you add music in your video and the owner of that song in a way presses charges so you now won't make money off that video as live streamed. So unless you're monetized, copyright claims don't really mean much to you as a YouTuber because you want to make money off of it anyway. Most people also get confused between copyright strikes and copyright claims. Claims don't mean anything, but strikes are a big deal. Number 3, do not post YouTube Shorts commonly. When you post YouTube Shorts, you might get a lot of views because of the lack of videos in the algorithm that your video gets recommended to more people. You might get a lot of views, but you won't get many subscribers. Even if you did, shorts and videos have different algorithms, so people that subscribe to you from shorts most likely won't see your videos on their homepage. Number 4, get help from family and friends. The first thing you should do when you create a YouTube channel is get the support from family and friends so you can start with an audience. Tell your friends and family about your YouTube channel so you can get an audience and they can push your videos into the algorithm so more people see your videos. Number 5, try to get your audience to comment on your videos. When people comment on your video, it suggests the video to more and more people, so when you get an audience, try to get people to comment on your videos so more people see your videos on their homepages. Some examples are making people comment video ideas for stuff you should try in different videos. Try this on your new channel and try to get some more viewers. Number 6, never use intros and outros. Intros are useful to know who you are, and outros are kind of the end of the video and give them an option to either watch your other videos, subscribe, or just click off. Outros usually look like this, but they are a huge waste of time. When an outro starts playing, people start clicking off more and more because there's nothing left to the video. With intros, audience retention is super high at the beginning of the video, so if you were to add a 5 to 10 second intro, when the video actually starts, almost half of the people have already clicked off. Number 7, always interact with your fans. When you get a comment on one of your videos, you need to respond unless it's a hate comment. Comments boost your video into the algorithm, so when you heart a comment, they're most likely to comment again or rewatch your videos. Same with replying to people's comments. You don't need to heart them, just a reply is a good thing to do. Use tags as much as you can. On YouTube, tags are important. If someone searches a tag you put in your video, they're most likely to see the video. Try and abuse tags as much as you can, because in the long run, they're very helpful. I'll put a link to a tag searcher in the description and in the pinned comment. All you have to do is put the title of your video into the search bar, and it will give you tags related to your video that you can copy and paste into the tag section of your videos. Number 9, always spend time making thumbnails. Thumbnails are one of the most important things you can do for your videos. When you saw my thumbnail, it intrigued you enough to click on my video, right? So if my video's thumbnail didn't look the way it did, chances are you wouldn't have clicked on this video. That is why you need to spend time making thumbnails, because it's really important if you want to be a YouTuber. Number 10, editing is key. Editing is another thing you need to do in order to keep people watching your videos. Try and make your videos as funny as possible, because entertaining people is one of the best things you can do on the planet. If your videos aren't funny or intriguing, then people will enjoy your videos and might even click off for your videos. I hope this video helps you with your YouTube channel. The first 25 people to comment on this video will get a public subscription from me. If you guys enjoyed this video and if it helped you, please like the video and consider subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe later. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.